fire de mreye ye mpe se be de bia obi obefa ye bibremu a sa nye mani bia no je fenze
ye gina hodo yo ha gukukum
sa ene bi won so omoye no ase ne tim
ase akuaba bi sa
na sisi wo ewo edan ya wo esim nya ko
broni fita ba ya no wasasa ye japade
ai ene wasaka
na ye na namo ADBCC sa na ema no na ye se e abosom nti ye mpe no ma be fako ene o madi
yo ene se ekom de yi enti Daily Post e do bon krata no na ebo amane ye apam
ene ye dwada de adwa ya no wa ma phone na ben wo na wa ko Facebook wo na fe amanfo adwe nkyira wo de aba no wabubo so bi ediame na chronicle da obokrata no na me fe bref so sem de anoma no okode na ba ne ntaba mu no wode wasahene Alexander afanya maka infoni aba beto akire na wahye ne kuli high ene wo se sade wono mu bie mrahye badwafia ma wo masa akọ asetena bio no wo mo de aba no na behwehwe japa anya asamketoa o se we will hold your feet to the fire eno edaha na wasande ababeto se kratafa toso miensa na obie mu a excavators bia wo ma cheche wo galamsey site wenu mo nso ebia yira wo babia ememfa ya na etufa ya ne de obi ntumi nhunu
akwhye kwabra ne dem
jo sade kane ebitu yira ye no kese nso ebia san tu ayira bio eno nso eho asem na edahai na wase yenka Timothy nwoma no Jeremiah etire baako Timothy mu medikan etire nyimudu for the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Some people eager for money have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with many griefs. And what kind of brofo boni nyina hine ni sikape eno ena ebino mo huna wono mo efa akwambona su na ebi wo mo de yawpi ewo won ho chronicle ajoyenko.
Okay, the insight enso ewa hanum na first national vice chairman edema NPP Yowura Dankwasme Bute opanyini ene kasa sese ebrewie dru se MPP for
chairman Bute
ai wo mo esankra niema mu kura empenifo edi party nanim executives no ese wo mu siesie mu wo mo huhuru mu na wo mo a wo mo mu amanyoku no ye yi wo mu nyina firi ho ye pe wo mo a wo betini ayen hyehye pa ede ama amanyoku no eho asem ewa hanum sei galamsey ho asem so yechim se ye free forest bi asinayo forest ezi sesi ade illegal miners no wo metimi ayi wo mu nyina de free sa forest no emu ya wo ma hyase ye ntoto ya asase no se de wo ma sei na kwakoduro no wo mo ebehwe na bibia etimi ayi apam Facebook no messages ni bia bana me obo me asemo me boso a message ni wo ho no bebre so me tape a me hu papa kakra bi na eba shama BA and Odehyieba or say please how far about the dollar rate so now Mahama a president to or say enchia enkoma Captain Kwesen director ya oda GPHA tadi ano enafe onunyanfo Grace ayensu dankwa MP for Esikado Kitan abato empeso so eno eye engineer Shamade no de apano piaga anedini nyasa
piaga
or say good morning, I'm watching you live from Achem Asafo yeda se papa messages na wa ha so me boso apam mienu ana miensa pene
Shama bakura na wase na notoku you've reigned as a Western Regional NDC chairman for almost 20 years now and still you couldn't build a regional NDC office. Greetings to Captain Kwesen and what they are so aba ana Masaud kumase bantama say Okuja Blocker has never been truthful and continues to contradict himself each and every blessed day. I know he will soon retract his statement and apologize to Ghanaians, and that is enough for him to remain in office. Are we serious as a country? Obusao, regards to former KMA boss, Honorable Sampine. Rahim Rankin said, Yasaba Bill, and na watchi edwuma papa ne sompa no ane true na ya wasare one day the good morning ene bae ena afi na naku amoabo aten wono se abrekuma central ene wodi free. I'm listening to you live inside Asoda Honda Somai. A very special greetings to Honorable Charles Otin Wuti, Deputy Greater Accra Regional Secretary Hopeful NPP and also Eddie no and our Hinina Mensa JB say good morning family and now I in a farm no now I may boza
yes we are generous
Stephanie
mo Stephanie
mo
oui
oui enya ba kunu bi
okay
ai we ane de na nemom anopai wanya ka Stephanie de ene na ohwe oba passing a wode ka Stephanie no a Leicester Company Limited one way ya street paste ene de ma no a sena ye fitafita sa no enti ohwe na o de no eye kokko no bia kan ho na koje ya paste no papa yo ya se ba wo ho kaka wo so a na aduro no ena ye wo ya total care ende eye otachire maye aye wonum osiechi nam no ene o prepre wa no kura esiesie no na eno nso na o de man koda no na wa meho anhwe wo mo sitwitwi wo kono wo mo de aduro ni nyina esanse ede na esanso ye papa ya azafuri your whitening total care ena heba o nkran afre 0501 619588 and I want me to come as 0501 390338 na ono enkasa ene adwada haji abebe fie ha
sa pepe
ana meboa
pepe
nemom haji ebe ni nyina no na kwadwoje si company limited say adansi hu ne papa ni nyina ne nche na eso ofa free eho na wo pe adansi hu ne ma na ode sha se de ade ko wi a wo to free ne nchen na boefo wonye obubule bufuo ni bia enenti odo ho bata no a fi no betimi asi awie asande oti atomu a bibia anche wo enti ana wahye no nso na koyeje si amekan no wa yesem frama wo kumase wo nkran babia wo wo ho enti fre 0204355040 wo no eto adansi ho niema no dodo na de na koyeje si din na na nchese de be na yebeto wo mo no na emom okwa no wafra homai ehunu se wono ana se bia broni fo no bia
apam yenda secure phone so ase secure sanitary pad secure sanitary pad ladies secure sanitary pad not just say we are secured enti macho say bosumi akwantuo no ya na ebidie anu odin papa obu ho no mu ate se wo bufa so ompie enti say ye nanumu a week ni mu nyina wo hyeden mo saa because onu ni flow no anu odin wan hwe ya akotena baabi a ni wani mu akwakogu ase but say we use secure sanitary pad a wunsuro akire because a friend ni mu fa akire ewa etu tremu a say tin e cover baby ya kama
na ayese kodi ataba
watemase na eniema yedi egum no so no e absorb flow no ema wo ye very dry oba bia wono de wo ye oba bosome so a wotwa kwantuo no de mi kan woti ase wo ye very dry tu nam cross ahwe nhya wo ho me pacho bowe baby ye ton sanitary pad bia wo kwa bodini ye kaso pe secure ukoni ye yifufuro bi ma wa ase mempe G secure sanitary pad eno ene betimi ama wo aye secure kama me pacho enkran kumase be bia ye ton bia 0243862158 0243862158 na bibia ada kama end point homeopathy clinic edine kura ekere end point na je say yare ni nyina no eho na wie wo de ba ho no a wonsa mfa nko ba bia biom eti end point say ohawa wo ewo oba ne bema entem awo no ema maware mfie bebre bema procedure de rubber to bema muni ade me pacho emwa entini no mu ohaw wo hrawa ne wo brebo ni nyina end point ebetu ase wo mo shell signboard ewo sprinters kwan eso enkran ahene makokoben enso ewo kumase 0244 867068 0244867068 and 0274234321
na enaya jode die haja special food ebeba ti se dia pam e kan ye no ene ye ginam ye kodi enye aduane ketwa agya so de ode ba enam efufu chese enye easy enedwo ode beba na se bia wo so tie me wo adwumam na ekom tew o pe aduane papa di asebio onkorane ananu adam koto aduane bi me rane hagya de debi onrane sanse oye ni ye enti bomodin ase aduane bi a wo pe no oko hagya wono mu a wo benyi bi ato anunsuo no ede bebi a wo bia nso woda yare bebrao na ye ofufuo ene nkwan ahoduo bia kane nkwan light troop ni nyina no wo benya ena afi banku ene tilapia nkruma nkwan tozafi wache jollof fried rice ena afi kokonte ene apeprensa abefo de ni bi ni nyina no wo benya bi atoedi na magikin akase bebi a wo bia wo to ayere bebrao na afi obetimi afem penifo 0246 359921 and 0535484392 now we need for nim come 21st clinic and the sciatica originator papa me therefore wuntini na ewo mu no eye oyawo hu asa we bibi kakra wutimi se ntini na ededada umu no asa nyema nkoye nsisi so bomodian se eba ni ntini hu how be out the call 21st clinic ya ba boa na yetu ahye e de ama ye branches no ye do 15 branches Accra Tema Kasua Kumase Sunyan Techiman Kranza Takwa Takrade and Afe baby awodo ubusa ye bechero for 0540311311 0540311311 now ni pen phone nim komo apa
Yansa mo bibia chimbio na ya mo bibia kwa ba once again na adwoada ayede na kupon ase ena so de afem ye de yankwa ache ya ba ye tip of jumadi ena etwa so e de am officer be kopim se na otwe e bobo ena de jumadi e ba na sorry na victory cars mare chapel enso etima ba betwa so sabede na otwe we ye ensema course ye mu sem e ba ubemu nkrofo nkrosu a the 5 major selected leagues no nina enso etima ba na we na pedi mu komo enso e ba Ghana Premier League with 32 started Friday no mu komo e de say anopay jed e be na sima fo pi ana no pay abo na yede musem e ba bo na tifo ene anopay na saka se en confirm ahomka hit patch the chance hona makwa bia ya bia no so ho na wakwa akwajo de weekend awafo ye no mabebebe to bo no oda obaso ese machi mensa menai so ho na okam odi emesra se bia na dwoi wetima ko adwuma so na waya adwuma na wiki wetima pesca so gubutom no be kanfo ahomka hit patch enso ene bia ma bebe ya bia no ode pepa ono no watibako na odata ho no di best manum ni kon dudu so we se babo wa afi ja ya na de so so watiesi na ona ko na weekend ana se wiki wetima pesca enso ede agubutom 0599802297 and for about so no chira ba na 26 so bosume we ene de to so makoma adwonu nsia oba nche abosume na so sabosume akonto be secure ede ama ode amekanfo secure central pad enso ene de ama kona kwajibi na so bosume akonto no ene smooth and from one aduan so entimi ene kan ori na boa fa no pe won so asanda gudemu nsam e be fam safo kantantam se wuramu Ghana Premier League match week 32 and also etimi eba so na otwa we start fiada no House of Folk and Accra Lions and they say some at time so our Accra Sports give no by House of Folk I said miensa am Accra Lions so no etimi atimba and no match is about so no about to say in a munsem so te Vision FC at fie osaba kuma Kawela Football Club and so 18 esaba ko no the Young Apostles at one Chief Sports Stadium was 3 and my Heart of Lions ye coach Basu from near and no advance ntamu almost so no 18 et kan ba ko and so Nations FC to Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex or Shamiansa Emma FC Summertest 1996 and so Etimat and Perimusem Emet for Jonas Sass or Boys or the Mine Kronana John Bodu Park or Sama Kanaba Kumensa and 9 Emma Legon Cities and so Etimat and watching on Mechem United at fie on an afro Sujabo Park wa shebi Baseke Holy Stars and Shebi Dreams FC at fie Ashebako Ama Brekum Chelsea and Martina side game no ko some board complain baby you be now next prepare the next seminar and so ebebre at for not to say much of the day no e so o bibiani dance park kuma sa sande kotoko toa bibiani go sas game be na we no obi antuma fabo antuni on kwata na pedum sam e me at for now after week 32 reporter say and a league table and also attack akwe Nations FC every can over 60 points after 32 games now over 60 points plus of 24 goals we better goals as toss me 57 plus of 12 and as a real Nations over 24 goals and a better goals as over 12 goals 20 Nations 60 plus 24 goals we better goals as 57 plus 12 and watch that Santi Kotoko better so Miansan over 55 plus of 11 goals out of Lions toss 54 plus of 11 as a folk abatoso makumaku enum 52 plus of 11 and so na oko bottom line now about you saying and it's here Accra Lions toss makumaku 16 over 35 points minus of 6 goals and watching Legon City is 25 is like 2 games Legon City is 25 points minus of 25 goals and then swatre and swatwa and on so over 15 points minus of 41 goals one yedemu sem my team for and anope na anwa yewemo bibiani dance park after the game no and na coach Fempo Manso Mayanga and na yebusa say coach game krambo no Sano Kotoko omo match mo very tough game no na anu de ema papa and na coach chirema two teams ni na obiabo a very good football.
I think for us it was a very good game. The only thing left was put the ball in the net. I think we played very well. Our boys were very good on the ball. They could hold on to the ball, they could pass. You know, what was left was the finish. It's football. Sometimes, you know, you can predict, but anything can happen. Today, for instance, what else could we have done? Our boys played well, but the finishing was the problem. So for me, yes, you can say, but at the end of the day, you don't put the ball in the net. Yes, that is so. For me, it has happened, but for me, it's still not over. Yeah, of course, because mathematically, the difference is 3 points, and then there are 2 more games to. So we will continue to fight.
Enti we say our coach Fempo Manso Mayanga and so editu yana pere musame atie for amute Sompa 106.5 FM Sompa 90.7 and also on Cross Jordan Air live and so on pere musam ma inatie for na coach Fempo Manso Mayanga and we say anra supporters who mo be any dance park na anu team papa na supporters no je na wo ka kire mo.
Well, it's been a long time. I saw this stadium lighting up this way. You see, everybody was cheering. They were all looking for win. And they were also happy because the team was also playing very well. And for me, yes, it's a journey we all took together. And we are not backing out. So they should still have belief in us. And then I'm very sure going forward, anything can happen. So they shouldn't be worried at all.
Enti bibeni goals as supporters got 2 games to go nti mamo ha kra mo de mo kan control coach performance so say Juano obeni kama enso de amamo na yehwemu na opposite coach no enso owura friends Abdul Karim Zito Sariki onon enejam adma kumase asane kotoko no say we say coach after the game no goals as na de mamo bibeni ase na performance so say ni.
It was a fantastic game. Every team wanted to win. We all created a lot of chances and we couldn't put it into the net. Nobody knows what is going to happen unless we calculate and then add the 2 games. Even if we win, we can't go anywhere. Then it's over for me. But for now, I will never say it's over.
Number 21 summer after the game, coach Karim Zito Sariki also Alituja. Now to say 2 teams in about very good football. Apart ama United for now. Only say obey about 4 games. Onusubi FA Cup 1 game. Premier League about 3 games. And they say coach obey 4 games. Our Kotoko now. Okra was assessing what coach was assessing. Say
and I also did my best. Yes. So for the referee, I don't have anything against it. I would say it's going according to plan if I had won all the games. Yes. You see, I missed against Hasseford. Assuming I won that game, look at where I will be. Today too, assuming I won this game, look at where I will be. So to me, I would say, yes, we are on course. The only thing I can hit my chest and say is I have a final, FA final to play. And I wish and hope I will win the cup first.
About 22 summer coach Karim Zito ono chama kotokori tuja na chese anu ade about 4 games imagine say ko se has and no aso no se ya nka de kam 6 points se say 55 nko da hen enti anu sema anu after the game coach Karim Zito enso ari tuja na wa mana so say kwampoku enso Roma Blasters camp na me adma amsu gwa amwaso a na me adma kwada na ya wada 4 next tournament na eno so baso na kwampoku en Andrews team manu omso wetima kopiem e obi ma so wiki ana ebusan say coach Kwampoku ni absence no how team na.
You said it already. I missed one of my best players. So definitely he being absent in this game has affected me. I even said it at the back. I wish he was here today with us. So it's a fact. But I can't stop him from progressing in his life as a footballer. Even myself, if Blanchard come for me, I also go. You understand me? So I bear no grudge against him. I want him to go there and play better. But yes, that is why we register more than with certain numbers if this man is not there. But yes, even though I miss him, but you see it here. We still, even Buku within some few, we are wanted to score. So this Kotoko for you. Yes, I miss him, but I've not regretted him being.
Yeah, some coach Karim Zito as I can't find Kwame Poku one of Sam Emma United for Jordan so now Yada Suja Kotoko Aswana dear. Na yanko chairman ko kwampo sadodo na abona man say K5 na after the game no chema hey na refis no bua o say na hegu akotoko share pa refi na anyi eno chiri de se kotoko ye movement bia o was after line 1 line 2 na mfranka no de na so say papa say na refis no na nye K5
omo pese kwa bi ombe fa so a ombe hyew oh one referee udi ball na kotoko 5 yellow cards Emumiensa enye yellow card baby so near the amaye hwegu a ye clean goal
enti we sema ko anasa chairman kwakwa sa K5 enso etu jana pede we sema etu na say no yellow card so dem asa no kotoko na isa no dem papa na say we no do person chance GPN no ko away a bia so refa so tintum zano o me fa so no tintum sent we sema no a not is after the game no reference chama kwakwa sa K5 enso etuja na Leah Safuduku ana yebusan say coach Karim Zito and technical team no after 4 games no mo assess some no so se there is a season and no mo dombe.
So far they've been fantastic and we pray that it continues so. Now the season we will do a proper assessment of their performance within this short period and take a decision that will be in the best interest of Kotoko and Ghana football.
Enti we sama na chese we friends lawyer Safuduku Square communications manager Edmond Kumasa Sane Kotoko enso etuja na jengro mu GF aso kakra mnenu ko ba kakra mfanu we friends Kurt Adrian Samuel Kraku na otwi on the same P etuja ya be prominent voices na enso adebebe for na ochema say GPL no uhwemo Motor Guinness Women Premier League no and more sponsorship and what no Access Bank Division 1 uhwemo Division 1 Access Bank and sponsor almost what title sponsorship enso no na uhwemo GPL na no title sponsorship and ochema next season there will be title sponsorship as wanti we some we reference Kurt Edwin Samuel Kraku enso adetuja na pede musem ama United for away from one janani ho kakra bi mra oho na fi yen rabo ne konfon kroso ne fa konfon kroso nsem no kakra mi fama na afie nso na victory cars bare chapel enso emeto ase Rambo and I said Daniel Hoba sisi a ne Rambo dama Family some kakran family tie for na SOMPA 106.5 FM so na said the 5 major selected leagues now otwe ni nyina so etima brawi na pare some tie for na Urumo England na Liverpool so na champions so na pare some tie for na Urumo and watch no La Liga Barcelona so team La Liga Santander no so team edition na so watch no Serie A so Akwadema FC SSC Napoli so na watch no Urumo the French League PG almost any team judge what is so na so na perimusam tie for and watch the German Bundesliga and also at the FC Bayern Munich na pay JJ mu yon paso da ma tie for na pay so no so na anwa Premier League ne ba na Mo Salah na ta say enya sam kutu akra na season boy na mo de mo yade a was in all competitions 47 goals and so any team said man Liverpool na pay JJ mu adama tie for to so na ore fese Ansi Postecoglou so aya manager adama team fese Tottenham Hotspur only say 17th and season almost 18 AD na openi chema ene bisa say season abena real na wan kasa gasa future no ade say esa so team je one trophy adama Tottenham Hotspur no so ono kasa mu de on team kasa season no start na say the next season start ya what na anasa okodi sampling for ene me chance say next season ye no one na ko anasa next season no for 2022 na obi fufu so ema to aso ano so ensem wura Ansi Postecoglou so ada to jana pray dem tie for na away from Wellington Tom unse ore fese Luis Enrique Martinez na unse season on PG o ma ya twa papa sa fin cup bi ewura bia no openu no so etma League Cup and also Ligue 1 won so etma agi RS na so no ti Coupe de France and also so no wotuma je France Super Cup ore fese Luis Enrique Martinez so no etma agi na so Champions League o for na say afi won PG no o mo etma ayatuma papa no peno de don sem so ema generative for so na anwa Man City gamer e pass on that say ori first Jack Grealish ori first Pep Guardiola so etim edenet na betina no na point e busan say no one kasa say more day squad na untim enka ho na u season no e na Real City wo kwaso wo to akwaso atena ana say wo wani chim so oba before no say he ma me kam obi aso so ori first Guardiola no me kasa no header edge adam esan say me ya fit o ba wo sore a na say more day squad no on fa me kan no so ori first Grealish masa in your friend F5 say brother oboa omo ye ho ade papa na so no o chema ono o ye fit ni we first Pep Guardiola so na entimi enfance at no o resa transfer window no so ebia wetimi so na na chema bi fana so akwakoto aso asina kan so demo bi foforo so na se team for so on Kevin De Bruyne season so na we na SSC Napoli so interest opene no was entimi no mesina kan enfama SSC Napoli so na Ebro Mbadu ya say Xabi Alonso na say de anya your official unveiling no so next season on a head coach so Ediama Madrid so na predicting Emma United for na Madrid game on so team boy no na Madrid supporters so at the banner kese pa ko na say Luka Modric and we reference Don Carlo Ancelotti and I almost say thank you legends na just say thank you Ancelotti and so Madrid supporters na just say omko Bernabeu no omso eno anema kakra omso to display one man predicting Emma United for ntino ya brena ena bia fancy na victory castle chapel me akasa papa apostle Frank was saying enfanya ko ponsem emeto se fisa me kopne se na otwe enso ebeboda ko secure central paramano ebe secure kama bosuma akontewa amana kama enso da manu achin amka hit patch enso asana pena dwadi yere ebe Ransford ena Facebook adwani na ena japia APAM DADAA AAA mine some no ntino na me adma ochina ye be saba nemo papa toast e won kranza papa anopencha kese en confirmant ya sorry na victory castle chapel apostle Frank say enyankopon